Hey guys, this is Billy Williams with Inspire Nation Business Mentoring. Are you an insurance agent or any small business that's struggling to find new customers? I'm going to give you 6 action steps that you can take to build your prospect list, which is going to lead to more customers. Number 1, sign up for the Big 6 business social networking profiles: YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Number 2, use Google Gemini or ChatGPT to write a 120-word post about how your product or service solves your customers' problems. 120 words is going to be about 1 minute. Number 3, turn your post into a quick TikTok video. Number 4, share your TikTok video on all of the social networking sites that I just mentioned above. Number 5, go to local networking events. You can use eventbrite.com, find local networking events, live networking events, attend, and your goal is to collect 100 business cards. Number 6, use the info on the cards to connect on social media and to build your email list. Okay? Now, if you want more, check out our 3-hour workshop on 100 new customers in 60 days at inspireanation.org. Thanks, guys.